Hi, I'm Will, and I'll be discussing the main page. So first thing you'll notice is the top movers, and below that, popular stocks. These are stocks the user doesn't necessarily own, but it gives them a chance to explore new stocks they might not have otherwise thought about. To the right of that, we have the portfolio. This is just like your basic snapshot of the user's account. You have the portfolio value, the buying power, and then you have a graph of that portfolio value over time. Below that, we have the stock list. Now here you can see that we own 5 stocks, and we can actually sell from this menu. So we'll see our balance right now is 18,000, and we have 10 Amazon stock. But we can sell, 5 of those, and we'll see our balance went up to 30,000, and our Amazon stocks now are at 5. Now next to that, we have watch list. So these are stocks users aren't owning, but they actually are just viewing. And so we can actually add using these plus signs. We can move through these check marks, and we can actually remove straight from this menu. Last but not least, we have the news. And here you can just view different articles, and you can actually click on these articles to go to the website.
Hi, I'm Anjali Nagaraj, and I'll be talking about our My Stocks page, our transaction history page, and the search bar. So this is our My Stocks page. You can see that these are the stocks I own. I own eBay, Ford, and Zoom, and I've paid for them and I own them. This is our watch list. So I don't currently own Amazon and I haven't paid for this stock, but over here I can keep track of it in case I want to buy it in the future. We also have our multi-line chart over here on top where we can compare the stocks that we own with each other. So I can compare Ford and Zoom, and now I'm comparing them over 5 years, but I can compare them over 6 months, and I can compare them over 1 month, or I could compare them over a day. And I can compare all 3 of them to each other as well. This is our transaction history page. So it tells you the stocks you've bought and the stocks you've sold, and it also gives you an idea of when you've bought and sold them. So you can see this morning I bought eBay, Zoom, and Ford, so I could make this video. And then I sold it and bought it again. This is our search bar. So over here you can search by name, or you can search by symbol. And when you do this, it takes you to the stock detail page.
Hello, everyone. My name is Shelby, and today we're going to be looking at the stock details page. So here we're going to see the stock that we're currently looking at, as well as the current price of that stock. We're also able to add and remove from the watch list directly from this page. Okay, so looking at the graph, as you can see, our legend has controls such as adjusting the date ranges, adding on grid lines, as well as some axes and trend coloring. One of the cool features here is that we're able to hover over the stock and have a display of the current price relative to the price historically. Okay. There is also a candlestick feature, and this is a bit more of a complex stock analysis graph, but we do have that functionality available. One of the main things that you can do on this page is buy and sell stocks. So currently, I don't own any shares of Apple, so let's go ahead and buy some. All right, yeah, some confetti, and we're also able to sell from this page as well. Okay, some other features that we have are some more higher level analysis of the stock, quarterly earnings, which will list out the actual and the estimated earnings of this company every quarter, as well as an about page.
Hi, this is Tina, and I'm going to be walking you through the user profile page. So here we have a user card which displays the user name, the user's portfolio value, as well as the user's buying power. Here we have the portfolio diversity chart, which basically categorizes your portfolio into different industries and shows the information accordingly. And we also have a performance graph which analyzes your performance over time. And so as you hover over it, you can see how the value of your portfolio has changed over time. We also have a hard reset button, which will reset your account balance, your transaction history, your portfolio value, as well as your stock holdings. So if I reset my account, we can see that my portfolio value and my buying power have been reset. And when I go back to my main page, I can see that my stock list is empty. However, my watch list still contains all of my watch list stocks. And lastly, we can look at the signed out view, and you can always log back in again with your Google account right here.